Hey you guys, Molly with Design Loves Detail here, and today we are talking neighbor gifts and little simple gift ideas for coworkers and things like that, so stay tuned for more. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We're moving into this Christmas season. It feels like this time always flies by and it makes me sad because it's such a wonderful time of year. But I like to, of course, you know how I appreciate both aesthetically pleasing things and also the function and practicality. So I have that same approach when it comes to gifting, and we're gonna dive into some really simple ideas to get neighbor gifts done, friends, coworkers, just those kinds of gifts that you wanna give something, but you know, sometimes you don't know what to get, or you know, just there's so much going on right now. It's kind of like can be a chaotic time. So I'm hoping to help simplify your life in that way with these ideas. And it's kind of funny because last year my neighborhood was like, somebody had the great idea, like let's all, instead of neighbor gifts, donate to a good cause, and everybody did do that and it was amazing. And then 90% of people still did neighbor gifts. So I kind of feel like it's a hard one to get out of. It's kind of like one of those that, you know, you need to do a little something, but you don't know what. So I've got some really simple things today that I'll show you that hopefully, again, will just make your life a little easier. These are a really cute little idea. This is from my recent blog post that I did with Tuesday morning. I did some gifting ideas that I found in store just like recently, just maybe like a week ago or so. And these are serving sets. They're so pretty. I love that they come in a box like this. So all I did was tie a ribbon and a tag around it and it's good to go. And I feel like this is like one of those things that's practical and really good for a hostess gift, neighbors, that sort of thing, because you know, most people have some holiday entertaining that they do. And so having, and I swear, tell me if this isn't true, whenever I'm like hosting something, I'm always looking for more spoons. Like, so I feel like this is a great option for, you know, the holiday entertaining, practical, and then it's really pretty so people can put it to good use. And then it just is an easy thing to put together. And for sayings, sometimes, you know, it's fun to do a saying with these kinds of things. So this one I would do something like serving up some holiday cheer, or you know, something along the lines with the serving play, or what else, dishing. What else goes with these? Anyways, really cute, really fun idea, and these were, I think, $9.99, so you're under $10. Over here, just, you know, a lot of times holiday treats, like a homemade holiday treat is one of my favorite things to receive. And these cute jars, I still need to make my holiday treats to go in these. I was thinking of doing like some ginger snaps with like powdered sugar on them. This jar is like around $3 at Walmart. I'll link these because I just ordered them online. And then they have these little bows that are just on a wire thing, twisty tie. And you can get a pack of like 6 of them. I'll link those. So it's super easy, and then just a little tag with that. And I love, you know, that they open, how they open, and it feels kind of almost like a little custom bakery type thing. So something, you know, with like something sweet for the holidays. And then that's super affordable, probably like under $5 for the jar and the bow and the tag. And then you just, you know, just your cost of your baked goods. So pretty reasonable, really cute. And the other thing I really like about this too is that it's totally like airtight. So like if you have a neighbor that's not home and you leave this outside, it's probably gonna be okay. You know, there's not gonna dry out or neighborhood dog come get them. You know, it's pretty solid in there. Another one, that this cute magnifying glass. They have the cutest magnifying glasses right now at Tuesday morning. These are like, I think these were $9.99 as well. And I just was like, I really want those. There was like, they had a bunch of them too. So cute tag, just a bow, and then kind of play with the theme of magnifying the holiday spirit or magnifying the love of Christ, you know, kind of whatever message you want to share from. I think that that could be a really fun one and practical and cute. I would be excited to receive this. All right, and another kitchen one. I think kitchen ones are fun with all the holiday baking. This one has the copper measuring cups and then this really cute wood mortar and pestle. This is the one that was probably the only one that's above $10, but so darn cute. And you could do just you could do just measuring cups and do, you know, measure up some holiday, what do I want to say with measuring? I don't have anything for measuring, but mix in some holiday cheer this season. That kind of thing was kind of the angle with the mixing thing. And then I just got they had like a set of 3 or something of these little plastic baskets. Also, this is Tuesday morning, so really fun. And then, oh, these candles. So there's a couple different kinds of candles. I have one of them regular and one dressed up, so you can kind of see. These are at Walmart, and they're actually so pretty and so nice. They have a beautiful jar, kind of that rib detail, and then the wood lid. I love that. And they smell good. They're a really subtle scent, which I like. This one I love this green. I did the ribbon and then just a little faux greenery and tag. These candles I think are under $10 as well. And of course this one you just play on the light theme, like lighting up your holiday season or sharing the light of Christ, stuff like that. Really easy, really cute. And then let's see, oh, last one, cute whisk. We whisk you a Merry Christmas. That one's easy, right? Again, just practical and cute. There's actually some really cute whisks. This is one from Walmart. I got this in a set, and I think that they have some individual ones as well. Home Goods is also a really good place to check. They have that whole wall, at least at my store, they have a whole wall of the kitchen accessories, and there's just really cute ones. And even the dollar store, I don't know if you guys remember when I did my dollar store finds video, but they have actually some great kitchen utensils there that are $1. So if you want to go real cheap, kitchen utensil, get a whisk at the dollar store. I just would rather get something that's like a useful, practical tool. I think that these are some fun examples for those gifts that you want to get checked off the list for the neighbors and friends, coworkers, that kind of thing. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this gives you a few ideas for simple gifts that you can get done for neighbors, coworkers, all that kind of stuff. While you're here, if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos. We'd love to have you leave a comment and give us a like. Comments, I'd love to hear what you guys have done for neighborhood gifts, if you guys have stuff that's gone well, that sort of thing. And then also, if you have missed any of the holiday content, there's the holiday tour, some shopping hauls from Walmart and Target, all that kind of stuff. So check those out, and then also stay tuned because we've got exciting stuff coming up in the new year. I can't believe we're getting close to the end of this one. It's so nuts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.